Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, overhead console. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.